Hey everybody, here's a explanation for section 2 or question 2.13.12 in the collaborative statistics book. It looks like it's an age distribution of Japanese Americans in Santa Clara County, California. It's interesting. It says it's approximately 27,873 Japanese Americans. I can see why they say approximately, because by the time you release this data, collect it, and put it back out, it's very likely that that number has changed slightly. But it seems silly to say approximately 27,873. It's more like approximately 28,000, a number that would probably be closer to being static than something down to the nearest ones place. Anyway, didn't come here to tell you that. First question, it says, make a histogram. Got a pretty good one right here. The bars will not be the same width for this example. Why not? Well, if you look at the data, the age group data is actually not the same width. The first is 18 years wide from 0 to 17. The next is 7 years wide from 18 to 24, and so forth and so on. They're not consistently across their bar widths. I'm kind of a proponent of keeping bar widths consistent, but if they're not given to you consistently, there's not a whole lot you can do about that. So that's the reason they're not the same width. Also, something that's a little bit strange, it says age group 0 to 17, 18 through 24, 25 through 34. They've lost everything between 17 and 18. So where do you put a 17-and-a-half-year-old or a 44-and-a-half-year-old? I got a feeling what they mean is anybody who is from 0 up to but not including 18 is 0 through 17. Anybody who is from 18 exactly up to but not including 25. So my gut feeling is that the right endpoint of each of those intervals is parenthesized, where the left endpoint is bracketed. So that way you've got that continuous data taken care of. Part B says, what percent of the community is under age 35? Well, you can either use the histogram to do this, or you can use the chart to do. I'll just use the chart because I'm looking at it. It looks like it's the 22.8 plus 8 plus 18.9. So what's that going to be? 30.8, 48, 49.7%, roughly half, essentially half. So that would mean the median age in Santa Clara, California of Japanese Americans is 35 years old. Half are younger, half are older. So there you go. Hope it helped.